In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Perplexity AI research and design presentation slide. First, let's head over to our starting point, which is the ever-reliable Google homepage. So, open up your preferred web browser and simply type in Google's URL or just search for Google in your search bar. Once you're there, in the Google search box, type in the word Perplexity and press Enter. What you're doing here is finding the gateway to the Perplexity AI tool, which we will use to create our slides. After you hit Enter, take a look at the search results. You'll want to click on the link that just says Perplexity. This should take you directly to the Perplexity AI website, giving us access to its powerful tools for our presentation. Now that you're on Perplexity's page, it's time to begin crafting your presentation. To kick things off, we'll be using a prompt. For this example, let's make a presentation on the history of cell phones. In the prompt area, type in Presentation for History of Cell Phones. This is our starting point, and by giving Perplexity a clear and concise prompt, you're setting it up to gather and arrange data effectively. Next, locate the Labs button, which serves as your portal to some experimental features that Perplexity offers. Clicking this opens up additional options that are essential for refining your research. Now, look for the source icon, which should allow you to toggle different sources of information. This is an important step, as enabling the right sources such as web, academic, and social will provide a more robust and diverse range of materials for your presentation. Enabling these will ensure that your presentation is comprehensive, drawing from the best and most relevant information available online. Once you've enabled the necessary sources, you're just about ready to move forward. Ensure everything is set by reviewing your prompt and settings. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Submit button. This action sends your request off and allows Perplexity to do its magic. Perplexity will now collate the information based on your prompt and the sources you selected, providing you with material for your presentation slides. At this point, take a moment to review the information that Perplexity has pulled together for you. You can then begin selecting and arranging this content logically to form your presentation slides. This will not only save you time, but also ensure your content is well-researched and engaging. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently create a Perplexity AI research and design presentation slide. By leveraging the power of AI, generating well-informed presentations becomes both straightforward and insightful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.